Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Our hallway doors needed some serious sprucing up, so I painted them and I added some new hardware. Look at these door handles. They are fantastic. I have so much to say about these fantastic door handles. Look at how beautiful they are. I love the way they look. They're so modern. I had these old, ugly doorknobs on there and they just didn't do for my hallway what I wanted them to do. And these definitely did. They just gave my hallway a little modern flair that I was looking for, that my hallway desperately needed. Everything was very easy to install, and I'll get back to that later, but I want to tell you about how well they come packaged. You get 6 different door handles and everything is in its own individual box. They are bubble wrapped and all of the hardware comes in its own little box also. So these are not going to get scratched or damaged during shipping, and that was a big plus to me. I was just very impressed with the extra care that they put into shipping the items, and it was very easy to remove the scratch-resistant material to install too. Here is installation. It was very easy. I did it all by myself. I've never installed doorknobs before, so I just looked at the instructions, but it was pretty self-explanatory with how to put everything together. It works very well. I love the locking mechanism on there. It works well, so nobody's going to intrude in on your privacy, or you could lock your kids in your bedroom if you want, I guess. I don't know. I also really love how durable they are. We have a busy house with kids and pets and nieces and nephews over all the time, and I know these are not going to be destroyed. If you're looking to improve your interior doors, I highly recommend these door handles, but that's just my point of view.